Okay, I'm there with an inch and 7/16. That is the size of bearing I have. And the carbide tip is cutting very nicely, as you can see. Some curly round the chips are coming out. So we really don't have a problem. It's cutting even. Cannot cut big pieces. I have to take about 0.5 of a millimeter. But it's cutting. They are ready. An inch and 7/16 flank side bearing. That is my leg screw for the lathe. The lathe is making its own lathe screw. It's machining the ends of its own lathe screw. And it's doing it pretty quick. No problem. But the material is still hard. It's the RD. Very, very hard material. It could have taken a little more heat. But after that, that size is okay. Cutting slow but sure. I have to put on the center. Rotation center. It's working alright. You can see these are really fine. Very slow speed, reading 24.36 Hertz. And you have to put on an encoder on the head to get the speed of the head. Well, that will come on later. And my traverse automation is working fine. It goes down very slow. That is what we need. No hurry, no hurry. Be patient. Anytime you're doing lathe work, be very patient. Have a lot of patience. Because it's not good to spoil our work when you're doing it.